Dorothe Awilo. Dorothe Awilo.
Master!
My son! You're alive!
Thomas! You are doubting that there is no way I can resurrect from death. This is me. I come back to life.
Not be juju be that.
You can see where they nail me. You see the blood in my palm.
Baby.
You are still doubt. You are still doubting. Thomas! Because you are doubting, this 5 finger of the blood will be staying in your heart till you pass your last breath on this earth. Philip! You should be honest to everybody.
Sorry.
When you have been tormenting me, beating me, doing anything that could do to take my life away, you run. You run! Thinking that you're afraid that they should not take your life as I was sure to die. But you run to corner to start tossing girl. Start tossing girl to do that they want to kill me. And you carry that girl to your room to do kereku with that girl. Your record is with my father. You do that. Don't you even know what you are doing? You saw me. You collect the money and we dey eat every day. You remember that time we go eat mama pupu food when we chop anyhow? We dey chop anyhow. Now you saw me. The money in your pocket. Judah! I know you like girl. You go spend that money on girl. Martha! See the way you dey do. I know you. You like kiss. You like those doing things. I don't blame you because you too much like money. Somewhere, Judas sell me. Judas, that money you go chop with am. I know say you go follow am. 12 now. I don say 12 now. Koreku kereku and I go die join Koreku. Peter, you be good boy. A man after my soul. No matter the bad hairstyle that you cut, you wear earring, but that does not make you look bad. You are good. Your heart is good. Your heart is pure. You will live long. I bless you. Go born plenty children. Mom, now you be my mama. You carry me for belle. Now they don't kill me. I don't come again. They go meet my father. The peace of my father will be with you. Master, don't you tell us why you calling me? What's about your land at Itodu? That's your problem. You are fighting for my land. Go, because you are doubting Thomas, you will not find the original document.
Master!
Matthew! What about that your G-Wagon? Matthew, that G-Wagon is for my mom. Everybody, you guys are after my property. Everything is for my mom. I'm going to meet my father. Mom! I remember something. I come back. When I go, this is my disciple. My father showed me when they have been looking your backyard. You see? All of them they look up. Daddy can't give me order to give you this. Protect yourself. If any of my disciples come, they want to nyash you. They want to give you something. Tie them woto. Now me give you. Daddy don't sign up. Tie anybody. Tie them. Daddy give me the authority now. Give me back. Tie anybody you want to tie. They are after my property.